Welcome to Linux Int. We're going to learn how to use the lseek system call in C programming language. The lseek system call is used to read some specific characters or data from a file and to write some content at a specific location in a file. This means that you can read or write from a file and in between the content of a file. The syntax of the lseek system command in C programming language is as you can see, the lseek function requires 3 arguments. The first one is the file descriptor. The second one is the offset, which is used to position the pointer. And the third parameter is whence, which is used to specify the position of a file pointer, that is, in the beginning, in the end, or in the middle. To open up the manual of the lseek system call, you can write man to lseek in the terminal, and you would see the official manual open up like this. Now this manual contains a lot of information about the lseek function exposed in C programming language, such as the description, the return value, and much more. To demonstrate the working of the lseek function, we're going to create a new text file. To create a text file, simply type touch and the name of the file. Now inside this file, we're going to write some text and save it. Next up, we're going to create a C file, and then we're going to open up this C file in the text editor and write the following code. To use the lseek function, you need to include this library, which is the fcntl.header file. Inside the main function, we are creating a file descriptor with this statement that should open up this seek text file and store the description in this variable f. And then we're reading the file with this command and we're passing in the buffer, which is of size 6. And for the third argument, we're placing the file pointer at seek cursor. Now this program should read the first 6 characters, then skip the next 5 characters using the lseek function, and then read the remaining 6 characters again. To demonstrate this, we're going to save this file and compile it using the GCC compiler. But before we run the C program, we're going to display the contents of the seek text file. Now we're going to run the C program using the command. Now if we compare both the outputs, we can clearly see that we have read the first 6 characters, then skipped the next 5 and moved on to the remaining 6 characters. This is how you can use lseek system call in your C programming language. You can learn more in-depth details about the lseek system call in C programming language by heading over to Linux Int's website. That is all for this video.